that thing balanced. To say accessories. Well, there's a torch, 220, 120 gas line. Actually, it's got a lot more strength in it than I thought it was going to, spring-wise. It's got the copper clamp, copper band in between the points. That's all right. It'll be functional for now. May have to upgrade it. May not ever have to. One of those things. And I'm going to assume this is just the regulator. And nothing looks broke. All good. Feels fairly heavy. Brass. Just what you'd expect. Looks like you got your tip wrench and a couple extra tips in there. Nothing too serious. Alright. That's that part. Should have brought my other camera. I didn't. The thing you never need. I just went with this one because overall the reviews online have been good. I don't know, there's like 400 of them, and all had pretty decent reviews. This is the first thing that I see. The lid is not on. I'm hoping it ain't broke, and it's just okay. Most people probably don't even keep that on there, but I have actually broken the knobs off a welder before, and it sucks because they're not a separate part. You end up having to get the whole board inside, and it costs almost as much as a new welder. So even though this might seem stupid to a lot of people, it could save your ass. It's not quite as heavy as I thought it would be for a 200 amp. So yeah, it's got the full size and the mini for the ground. Looks like real simple, on, off, temp, wire speed. But what I like, what I like is they're infinite. They're not clickers. So I really like that. The fine tunes are a lot easier. Or at least if you screw it up, you can't blame it on the fine tune. Oh, looks like you got a master. Oh, that might be just for your gas. And looks to be about, oh, maybe a 6-foot power cord. Feels like a good rubber though. It's not a cheesy, chintzy rubber, so I like that. Fan on the back. Booth open, and you got your metal drive mechanism, which is nice. Wires look all good and they're not in the way. Doesn't look too hard to change over your polarities if you need. It should have the large wire wheel adapter. Yeah, so all in all, I think that shouldn't be too bad. I found the cheapest price actually on Home Depot's website. It was like $570, $601 after tax and shipping. So yeah, 1GBT inverter technology. But yeah, it's actually a 200. I didn't want to be limited. I probably will never need to weld like anything over 1/4 inch 5/16, but I wanted the ability to actually be able to weld 1/4 inch and 5/16 without stressing out a smaller 140. So yeah, there. Eventually, I'm probably gonna have to go online tonight and order the flux core wheel because it doesn't come with one. It didn't come with any wire, so that's, you know, usually they come with at least a small little spool, but I don't really care about that either because that ain't gonna last for shit. So yeah, all in all, it's pretty cool. I'm not in a big rush, but I will be getting a gas tank and some wire, and I'll probably get a flux wheel even though I'm not planning on using flux core wire. So yeah, all in all, that's pretty nice.